Hi, Professor. My name is Valeria Heredia, and this is my Phase 5 assignment for IT 302. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my React frontend connected to a Node.js backend where users can log in, view books, and create, update, and delete comments. So I'm starting here on the main books page, which displays a list of classic books pulled from my backend API. At the top here, you can see the navigation bar, which includes the book's link and the login option as well. Then I'm gonna begin logging in. This is a simulated login used to store the user's names and ID, which is required to create and manage comments. So just like the exercise of the movies review, in here I'm logging in. So previously for testing purposes, I create a username and user ID. So I'm just gonna reuse this. And one of the username was Caleb, and his ID is Caleb234. So once I log in, you can see that at the corner, it will tell you can tell your login because there is a message says login as Caleb and the user ID. So now I can go to any books. Let's say we are gonna go to Precision by Jane Austen, which also displays the title, the author of the book, and the date it was published. So once we click to view reviews, we can see that the pictures displayed in here of the book as well as the title, the author name, and when was it published. And at the bottom you can see the comments that people has made. In this case, Chris made a comment on the 7th, and which displays also the name of the person who published the comment, the date, and the time. So in this case, since I've used this username Caleb for testing purposes before, I made a comment, but we are gonna do it again so you can see how it works. So now I'm gonna add a comment as Caleb, and I can say I love this book. Then I'm gonna submit my comment, and as you can see, it displays over here with again my username, the date that I made the comment, and the time. But let's say I made a mistake or I changed my mind, I can edit it and say this book this book is wonderful. So I can update my comment, and as you can see on the URL, it says a localhost, my ID, and also the book key. In this case, this is the link for the book, and we are on the comment space, so it links it to the comments page. Then I update the comment, and as you can see, it changed it. It says this book is wonderful. This is a in here you can see my code. This is just for the front end part, but you can see that it gets all the APIs for get, create, update, and delete comments. And if I go to my MongoDBs, I'm gonna refresh this, you can see that the new comment by Caleb was added, and it should be the last one here. This book is wonderful, and I also displays the ID, the book key, the text, username, in this case Caleb, their user ID, and the date that is the last modified date. Then let's say if I want to delete this comment, I just simply hit delete and it will display, and in here you'll see a message displaying, are you sure you want to delete this comment? If you click OK, the comment proceeds to get deleted, and then we're just gonna give it the time a little bit. Maybe it should be good now, but if I refresh, yep, so the comment was deleted, and as you can see, it's not at the bottom anymore, and we just have 10 like we did previously. So then we can try with a different book, and also I can show you how the search by title and search by author features work. If I want to search by author, let's say I just want to visualize any book, Woman in White, I can just put woman and search, and of course it's gonna all the books that are titled with the word woman are gonna display it in here. And let's say I want to make a review in here. I can add a comment as well. Said, mm, I recommend this book. Submit comment, and again, you will see it here. Then, if I want to search by author, I can look for Jane Austen. So I will search her name, and all the books by her will display over here. Or if I just want to say Jane, again, the same. All the books are going to display here without any problems. So I can see any books, and all the books follow the same format. That's it. And then if I'm gonna go, well, we are already in the main page. So, but that's how it works. So now, in addition to the front end, the backend API endpoints are functioning correctly and return the expected responses when tested directly in the browser or through the front end. And now, if I even want to log out, I can if I go to view reviews, any person who is not logged in the system is not allowed to edit, delete, or make any comments. So just once you log in, you're able to do those features. But let's say I want to log in as someone else, like Chris. Oh, okay, Chris here and his user ID. We log in and we go to persuasion because Chris made one of the comments in here. You can see that you're not allowed to make Caleb any edits or delete his comments because you're not logged in as him. But since I'm Chris, this time I'm able to do that with the comments that I made. And that's pretty much how the website works. Everything functions correctly and everything is linked, like in the code part, the backend that contains that has all the comments, the books, contains all the APIs requested, and that's what pulls from the databases, and then the front end, which displays all the books. And that's it. Thank you.